What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Lucia Kojimbe Wanakale, and if you are returning, thank you for stopping by and thank you for being patient with my inconsistency this year, guys. I really can't keep up with my channel, and the way I could have attained 1,000 subscribers by now, because I'm at 750 something within 2 years. Yeah, I need to do better. And how do you do better when you're just so busy, or you just I think drained out, or I don't know. I have no excuse for not being consistent in this on this channel, but I promise that I'll be giving at least a video every month, and I've done that in July, I've done that in June, and I'm doing it now in August. It's August, the favorite of Awambo month. I say so because Awambo wale kuninga yango August for whatever reason. So I think it's their wedding season. Normally Awambo weddings are in August and December, the common ones. August is always nice, just company longer, and then December, yeah, I think because of the holidays and whatnot. Yeah, personally I didn't get married in those months because I didn't want, plus I wanted to when you get married in August, chances are so it's up to you. Okay, let's just I just want to point out a few things. If you don't really love contents regarding marriage and weddings, maybe you can skip this video. But my brides and all those people that wish to get married someday, or just anyone in general, maybe we can have a conversation. I think there is so much peer pressure lately that we do things that just because everyone is doing it. But I just want to highlight that not everything that was done at someone's wedding, you should also do it. It's not a must. It's all about what the person want, what they can afford, what they prefer, and how they envision their day. But it seems like once you see your friend, my friend was I should also get a Mercedes Benz, but it's not really it's not a must that you should also hire a Benz just for that. One maybe was transported in a Mercedes Benz because they have one or they can afford one, but we put so much pressure on ourselves, we end up going beyond our budgets just to keep up with these trends. But let's just be reminded that not these things are not a must. There are 5 things that I noticed where everyone is doing it. Sata make again them be appreciate or culture, even though we know this is nowhere near our cultures. It's just preferences. Opena the what is that? Oh, opena breakfast more fashion na beef. I think they were very creative, and they really just planned their wedding nice, that they wanted to maybe treat their bridesmaids and their vendors nice, to a good breakfast. But now as we go on it, because we really love to copy things, it look like oka breakfast okay is a must kujambela onfuko nakalako ngoka breakfast kingumbiae. And so is that ka breakfast that ka pre-photo shoot, what that morning outfit that people get. Person yes for culture, but it's not a culture. So it's okay if you, and kudos to the person who did that first, because that was their own thing. It's a beautiful, everyone envisioned their day in a different way. I just don't understand going forward but it's not a culture. And if you cannot afford that breakfast, you don't have to do it. You don't even know. And I think the breakfast also nakakalingo taka inaka kufapo onsurura kalo onungenge to ikongereka for your wedding. You need to have unakulyomuta. You have to omuta is kind of a meal, a morning meal that is prepared with a purpose. Maybe you are going to look for a job, you are going to ikushimba oto ipamwe nande opamu otoka kongilonga to ikushimba hotelekerwa, maybe going abroad opena onkalo onholekerwa ka kulunungo waliango ongutongol. Now you are supposed to have ongutongula breakfast before you go to church. Now that people are just having this breakfast, I do not know, people are going beyond, or onguta oshimash telekwalela by someone meaningful to you. Like mostly when you are getting married, your khegona is the one who is attending to your meals. I don't know now, this breakfast is just delivered that morning by by some vendors, and we should be mindful of these things. We should always ask our parents, or so you don't end up wa kongeleka mali nodia osifimasinya nevanta sina itashililwa njala tashililwa lela kucha maybe is for blessings. Everyone vene believe that almost mgome family malavo wale ke pena grapes what yeah. Okay, breakfast is not a must, so let's not put pressure on ourselves. If you really don't feel like what is the use of this breakfast, you don't have to have it, and if you want, you can have it. The other one that I noticed is the day 1 and day 2 outfit. Yeah, guilty as charged. Na mundajali kupivali malo kucha o natushiningeni kucho culture ngengo nina senje efidai ili na senje sutadai sitwango no mutata ano kwajego sikutuse simwasi koma fikwese. Yes, hango nale our mothers were only getting one fee. Nowadays I pay for no or one like I need 2 dresses because I do not want to kupitongula anzikosho sasho fea ikakane nanjala ingumbi pitete ikosho ilo ndala ngokujala something else, or because I can afford another dress, but onugeo kwatokola kuchotajale kofia ingwaike. That is how things were done before. Okay, so master which there should be day 1 and day 2 dresses. Ingumbi also opening ingumbi imwe. On my side I had one outfit for the bridesmaids. I remember some were asking me which sketa jalamo day 2. I planned already and I don't plan on having 2 dresses. And do you know why I did so? Like I don't need 2 dresses. It's a lot of work for me. It's a lot of logistics involved. Moku onjifano kuninga shikeshike ini maisha tokongwa onjine design no mala mostly. I've attended a lot of weddings before I got married, and I noticed kucha ingumbi apu like more day 2. They are never available. Umweshika adimo pa mo mefikololo tete. evikweli tivali umuita otatitani bano makeup umwekep umokwae kefikolo oto njife kama kutoponde stokatala kapena we outoinai ngashi nevamwe twaumburwa ke villages that are far apart. Let me just say villages that are deep, far from the third lord. Angela tidapumbwa etwade 4x4 ingumbi yapu haikoko medinale because of transport barriers. Otonjiviki kupia pu yapu titu, but no one have it enough. Silly when I went to my new residence, they do. I only went with, we had 15 bridesmaids and 15 bridesmaids, 5 are for Tatiana Kale, 11 are mine. So I just went with maybe six of my ladies. Oh, those loyal ones. Kandina, Vicky, Delona, Emilia. Yeah, I went with those ones. It's not that Anu never hala okucheke fimbo vamota travel back to work. So day 2 outfit is not a must. Do it if you want, but it's also okay if you decide I'm not wearing 2 dresses or my bridesmaids are not wearing 2 dresses. Or master we'll count down for what Hanan. Oimonwegan anke kapena su count down for one. In my those are just things that we are doing now, which sometimes are even way out of reach. And countdown for it's like 30 days countdown. I think it's too much because in my year attracting the evil spirit and turning countdown at the in the wangu inaingi that nana koambo de anything can happen between those days. Shwango ngengeno pamono alo kuningu countdown away. Please make it in less than 10 days to your wedding. For me, I prefer okutame ko countdown na iso ango ingida. So okuingida kwa wene nishina ko countdown na ne logo ngereka ngeno popo ne to tameke sasifikolo epandela sila tulikwa. When they raise the flag, then it's signal kuchwangu teiwale kwali everyone should know kuchamumba mumnango. So but imagine having 3 months countdown photo sharing all those days. Oh guys, anyway, it will just, it's not a must. And you find a person is asking you. I remember, yeah, my wedding there was someone who was asking who fan of a countdown now or very pen. Then I'm like, I don't have one. My pen countdown. I'm like, it's in. I'm not doing countdown photos, but if you want to count down, do it yourself. Yeah, those are some things are not a must. Oh, turning go mali not uniform occasion. Same as nothing and no hinimayo umbicha taja. Oh, apirinda if you can afford apirinda umbicha. I cannot afford it's not a must in my game world. Nashi kwa wali na noticinga or before the wedding a bridal shower je vaolike inatik ini mayata mega perfect and it's Western things. It's not in our culture. It's okay if your friends want to spoil you here and there, but it's also okay if someone say they do not believe in it or they don't want a bridal shower. because once again hango apumba ku kwendi fami process toka kolonu uline musi bato kuililiwa by your friends and what manga ko kwamba epandelina litulikuwa natango akuno apo kalo vota kuililo no avotete not just anyone. I used to be very annoyed when Mavenduka unofficial ninge message, but goose knows. I'm serious when I say not inukile ni makwanga the most religious should da kuchonjina ngande to time get to kuilile I'll embarrass you because wango na tukasa kelele for amber please. It's also just for your own protection, and you don't know, this world is very wicked. Omunini maia pu tainyenge, so brother shouting in wangopo and not body. Not everyone is there to really celebrate or wish you well. Yeah, it's not a must. And you should also be mindful of your close friends, which are this one is, yeah, you see. Tuyaneko after the wedding itala pepata pachango is not itala pepata is a must kutwe epatolina kutalika, but it's not me familia dishe yashini washifa pena vamwe haningi that whole big celebration munetinda noshonosho okuchegene moshuambo. Someone want to say hi, maybe you missed them, but hi. Hello. Hi YouTube. Thank you. Okucha itarape pata. Why itarape pata was mostly for your parents. Dali. Voye vatalama fiwe. Nde ini maite iningwa pifene. Tomone gono aninga itarape pata. Shinigiwane mungene shashonu wapomos. And you see, okwa invite the friends, their bridesmaids, and these things are not supposed to be your after parties, guys. It's supposed to be strictly your parents. It's a family thing, and mara people ngengwange pona ndodali sapome mwaike ini mani kwekidi ilune defense kainasha vali nokutalo mafiyanga shinakuningwa ifane yanti diet ye ole tinye ilo edijina ilo ngedzivalola nana malo vanmo ko even akuya vatale o mafia. Okay guys, going forward, let's always ask our parents ngashini maimwe tarapepata just to know if we are doing things in line with our cultures. And for those that don't have cultures, good for you, you can do whatever you want, but I still I still like to believe that when it comes to marriage, culture is also very important. It plays a big role on the futures of our marriage. If you are if you are doing shortcuts or you just disregard the culture, sometimes these things can affect you in the long run. Yes. With that said, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I just love to discuss affairs related to marriage, families, building strong families, relationships, current affairs, yeah, those kind of things. Those are my kind of topics. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in some other next videos, hopefully soon. Ciao ciao. Say ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Bye. Love you.